welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Before I start, let me thank all of you who are subscribed to my channel and who still following my journey. I'm nearly going to be 500 subscribers, just around less than 20 subscriber more, and I will be 500. Thank you very much for your early Christmas gift to me. And if you want to give a gift to me on this Christmas, just subscribe and like my videos. Thank you so much. So let's start with this one. So for mini saving challenge, I will save $40, and this one I will put on here, and, and later on I will change it into, if I finish or if I completed any saving challenges today, I will exchange it, and I will play with the prop money. So let's count it first. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Okay, so this prop money is my own creation. I just created for this mini saving challenge. So let's start. So what we have, okay, I just tell you later which channel I have it. Oh, where is it? I lost one. So let's see later if where's the missing one. Okay, I just put it right here. Hold on, how many is this? Okay, 6. So let's start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do I need to use this? Hang on. Just okay, let's do like this. So 1, 4. I need some stopper here, like this. Oops! Again. So 6, 3. You see that? It comes anywhere. Let's go. Let's change it. Okay, let's do. It's detachable, so let's do again. So 4, 6. What's that? 3. Finish, finish. 5, 2, 5. So this is 6. What I need here is $3. So this is done. And let's cover it up so that I know it's done and put it back. Let's see again if there's any finish one. 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's not. This not. This not. Okay, continue. 2, 1. I better do this. 1, 5, 5, 4, 5. What? 6. It's done. 2, 5, 4, and 5. Okay. So which one is finished? Oh, one saving challenge done, which is this one. This is from Rock's Budget. And sorry. Let's see how much I will save in here. And I will change it into another one by Rock's budget as well. So just put it right there. So here I need 3. So 2 and 1. So 3. I finish it. Just ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. My bell. Woo. So how much? 10, 12, 14, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, $16. One challenge done. Next. So this one is from me. Actually, my daughter made this as a freebie on my Ko-Fi shop. If you still want to have it, you can download it and go to my Ko-Fi shop and download this one. So for the green color, it's $1, and for the red Christmas balls or ornaments is $2. So what I have here is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. So $13. Let's grab 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yay! So $13 here. Next is this. This is from Christy Budgets. A Filipino cost stopper 2, but inactive now. So how much? 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8, I think it's finished. Let's see how much I need. 2, 4, 6, 8. So I only need one more. So a total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29. Should be 29. 2, 4, 6, 8. So I'm missing one. So this is the one. 29. One more dollar and one more dollar and it's done. But not yet. Oops. Sorry, I'm struggling because I need to go back to work. I'm just doing a break time for 2 hours. So this one is a freebie from my Ko-Fi shop together with this. It's on one page but together. 2 saving challenges so rather. So this one is Filipino parol shop. So it means parol is a lantern in every household in the Philippines. You will never miss, no one will miss a parol or a lantern because that symbolizes for us Christmas. And in Philippines, Christmas started on the 1st of September. Yeah, it's a long Christmas celebration, but of course, Christmas Day is the biggest among them. So this one, I will just, there's a versatile challenge. You can do the $4 or you can roll the dice and save $4. So, or either put how much is per icon. So for me, I will follow the numbers on top. I will not roll the dice. 2, so 4. Just do this. So 4 here. $4. I just cross one parol. So now I have $4. But for you, you can roll the dice and save the $4 there or whatever you like. Next one is from Mamshi Queen. This is from Mel. It's a freebie on her Ko-Fi shop. So let's save how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's 6. So let's do like this. 5 and 1. So the total amount now is 26. So I will exchange the prop mounting behind outcome if I have time today. Maybe later. I will consolidate later on or change it. And the first one here is from Mystic Budgets. So a small star is $1. The big one is $2. I already completed the big star. So let's put how many? 2, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, $6. Let's cross 6 small star. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I only need 2, 4, 6, 7 star and I will finish. So the total amount here is 30, 35, 40, 42. So let's get here. Let's get the exact money there. So 42, I'll get $20. So get $20 and put this one here. So 42. Let's see. Why not? Change now. Why not? Right? So no, cannot. But this one we can change into full 20. This one, no, right? Yeah. This one, let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no, $9. Cannot. And this one, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, so this $10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, $13. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, $13. And get $10 here. So this is the idea why I use prop money, because I don't want to use coins on my mini saving challenge. But sometimes it's unavoidable. Alright, so how many saving challenge I finished today? I finished, oh sorry. Oh, I finished one and it cost 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, $16. Give me $16 there. 16, okay, $16. So this finished. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you. Hope I can film more, but let's see if I can film a group play or a butterfly binder next time. But for now, this is all I can share. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Bye. Happy holidays. Bye.